Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the golden rule indicator or the gold level indicator. And if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. After you download the indicator, head over to your MT4 indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you head back to your navigator, just right click and refresh. Okay, after that, you should find the gold level added to your chart. Okay, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked, and then as for your input, you can see the customizable settings there. You can modify them according to your taste. Now, it's very simple. This indicator gives you buy and sell signals, right? Precise buy and sell signals, right? So is that simple? That's just it, right? When you have the signal appear, this is, you can see the first buy, you can see the second, you can see the third, the fourth, and so on and so forth, right? Different buy zones. And then you can see here for your sell, right? Let's just go to lower time frame and see, okay, the prices does not change across time frames. So now all you have to do is to get your confirmations. Okay, do not just jump into the trade because the indicator gave you a signal, right? You want to get confirmations before you jump into any trade. Okay, if you don't get the confirmation, then you should probably stay out of the trade, and you can modify these settings according to your taste. Let us also go to XAUUSD. Let's see how the indicator is displayed on XAUUSD. All right, so now I had to come down to XAUUSD since this indicator is more of a gold indicator. All right, so you can see levels that are being marked by the indicator, potential buy levels, right? And you can see potential sell levels or take profit levels for your buy trade. Okay, so I'm going to recommend trading this indicator, using this indicator on gold, right? Use this indicator on XAUUSD, okay? And then trade in the direction of the trend. All right, you don't want to trade against the trend. Okay, you don't want to do that. All right, and ensure that you observe proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and use proper lot sizing. It's very important. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on the valuable content, the loads and lots of valuable content being posted on this channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.